Welcome to Rustbuster Framework's installation guide for Toyota's 2007 to 2014 FJ Cruiser. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Uninstall the vehicle's tow hooks at this time, as our part supplies new mounting points. Step 3. Our part features a perforated plate that can be removed if you wish to retain your rear body mount. Step 4. Hold the part up to the frame and mark off its coverage. Draw a cut line about 3/4 of an inch from the bottom of the frame. Ensure you remove any lines or power harnesses from the work area before continuing. Begin cutting along your drawn line. Followed by cleaning and grinding the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Step 5. Coat the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against further rust development. Push the part onto the frame while using the frame holes to help with alignment. Line up the first 2 holes and tack weld that area into place. Followed by pushing the rear section up and aligning that area's frame holes, and tack welding it. Confirm the part's alignment and begin completely welding it around all edges. The rear perforated section allows it to be bent around the rear section. Hammer it flush and weld it to the face. Step 6. Coat the work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent against further rust development. Finally, reinstall your tow hooks and rear bumper. And you're done.